Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and then we trade. Trade for the $1. We're gonna try to make it to $35 today. Both indicators are down, so we sell there for 1. If 1 loses, we do 2. If 2 loses, we do 5. If 5 loses, then we do 1, 2, 5. Is it 7 and then 9? We'll see. I'll tell you. Hold on. It's 136 actually. Interesting. So dub. No, it's not. 1, 3, 6, 13, and then 27. If you lose, I guess we'll make back $1.71. It's good. Infinite trading method, part 55. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. And then we trade, we sell it for 3. If 3 loses, then we do 6. If 6 loses, then we do 13. We're going for 35. 35 is our goal, right? 3, 4, 5. About $2 here. If this wins. Yeah? This is good. That's good, that's a dub. So we have $2. We just have to make $2.50 more. $2.43 more. So here we sell for 1. We up to 3 and we wait. Five, 4, 3, 2. That's a dub. Yeah, back down to 1. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. Then we trade. We sell here for 1, we up to 3 and we wait. So it most likely go down, wouldn't it? 41% change. Nice. One more trade and then we're done for this trading session. It's just started and it's already ending. GG, man. So what we do is that we use the RSI and the CCI. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and we either buy or sell. If 1 loses, then we do 3. If 3 loses, we do 6. If 6 loses, we do 13. If 13 loses, we do 27. If 27 loses, we do 58. But we don't have all that. We just have $33.37. Well, technically $34.37. And after this trade, it may be $35, yeah? And that would be it for this trading session. Nice. So yeah, we're done after this. This is infinite trading method, part 55. So yeah, my advice to you is just trade for 1 hour using this method. If you trade for longer, the markets would, you know, adapt to your trading style, to the trading such. So the best thing to do is just trade for hour, hour and a half, or just make like just a slightly over 10% of how much ever you have in your account, and just slowly build on. At least that's what I am doing right now. We could go back to practice. We go to, well, practice we do $2. Two losers we do four, so on and so forth. Yeah, infinite trading method, part 55. GG.